Good day everyone. This video is entitled 2 4-way switches and 1 3-way switch. Describe as one lamp controlled in 3 locations by 2 4-way switches and 1 3-way switch. 3-way switch is a switch having 3 terminals, 1 common and 2 travelers. It allows control of a light fixtures from 2 different locations. The common terminal connects to the power source or to the light fixture, while the traveler terminals connect to the 4-way switches. 4-way switch is a switch having 4 terminals and is used when you need to control a high fixtures from 2 or more locations. The circuit starts with the first 4-way switch in which the terminal connected to the power source and the other terminal has no connection. The traveler of the first 4-way switch is connected to the second 4-way switch. Then the traveler of the second 4-way switch is connected to the 3-way switch. And finally, the common terminal of the 3-way switch is connected to the lamp. When you toggle the first 2 4 switches, it changes with traveler wire as energized, sending current to the second 4-way switch. Depending on the position of the first 4-way switch, the current will either continue to the second 4-way switch or return to the first 4-way switch. The 3-way switch then directs the current to the light fixture based on its position. This means that at any point in the circuit, toggling one of the switches can turn the light on or off. This configuration is ideal for long hallways, large rooms, or multi-level homes where you want to control a single light source from multiple locations. It offers convenience and enhances the usability of the space. Using the 4-way switches and 1 3-way switch provides flexibility and convenience in controlling lighting. It is a practical solution for enhancing accessibility in larger areas while ensuring safety and efficiency in home lighting design. That is all. Thank you. God bless. Subscribe.